Hello friends. In this video I am going to show how to install Pixel Extended ROM on Redmi 8A or 8A Dual. Let's start the video. This is new Pixel Extended official ROM. Let's check out Settings app. This ROM has basic customization. This ROM gives good battery backup. This ROM has smart charging feature, it's good for battery health. In this ROM reading mode, dark mode working fine. This ROM has face lock and in-with app lock. This ROM gets OTA updates monthly with some extra features. This ROM is based on Pixel Experience. This ROM has Oxygen OS 11 style QS. For more information visit My Blogspot. Let's install the ROM. Your bootloader must be unlocked. Install 64-bit Orange Fox Recovery. Link is in description. Take backup of important data before flashing ROM. I am not responsible for any damage or break of your device. Now go to Orange Fox Recovery. Click on Pixel Extended ROM. It will take some 2 to 3 minutes to flash. Now go to Wipe section, click on Format Data. Type Yes. Now reboot to system. I hope you have successfully installed Pixel Extended ROM.